0.1 times 0.01. 0.1 times 0.01. Look, to multiply this factor with this, you need to just count the number of places after this decimal, one place, two place. So decimal point in this factor will move two place from right to left, one place, then holder 0 here, two place. That is, your answer is 0.001. You can also place another 0 to mean that this number is less than 1. Here is the thing: 10, 100, 1000. These are power of 10 but greater than 1. But 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, these are also power of 10 but these are less than 1. Actually, this multiplication means one type of division. Look, if you convert this decimal into fraction, what you look at? Just write the number you are getting, ignoring decimal, and for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. Since two digit, we have write 210 as a multiplication. 10 times 10, that is 100. And now we can rewrite this as 0.1 divided by 100. So if you divide zero point 0.1 by 100, what will happen? Since this 10 is a power of 10, since this 100 is a number which is power of 10, so count the number of 0 and move the number of 0 to, so move the decimal point 2 digit from right to left, 1 2, that is decimal 001. That is 0.001 is your answer. This 0 indicate that this number is less than 1.